What?
Hello?
Dad, don't you see the link?
I'm looking right now. I don't see it anywhere.
Are you looking in your text or emails?
Text.
I emailed it to you. Do you see it?
Oh, okay, I see it now. But it's not doing anything.
Did you click on it?
No.
Okay, go ahead and click on it.
It's saying it wants access to my microphone and camera.
Click OK. Are you in?
I think so. It says it's using my computer's audio?
That's good. Can you see me on your screen?
No.
Are you looking at your computer?
Oh, okay. There you are.
Okay, I'm gonna hang up the phone now. I can hear you, but I can't see you. Do you have your camera on?
I think so.
I don't think it's on.
Why would it not be on?
I can't see you. That means it's not on.
Well, how do I turn it on? And why can't we just talk on the phone?
We'll be able to see each other on a big screen this way. Now there should be a camera icon on your screen. Just click that.
I don't see one.
Just move your mouse. One should appear.
What's it look like?
A camera. It should be in the lower left side of your screen.
Got it. I finally found.
I can't hear you now. I think you hit the mute button. Hit the same button again.
Okay, got it. Now can you see me?
No, but I can hear you now. Click the camera icon just to the right of the mute button.
Oh, I see it now. Wait, the damn thing just disappeared.
Move your mouse and it should reappear.
Why would they make it disappear like that?
I don't know, but if you just move your mouse, it should reappear.
Okay, I see it now. Now can you see me?
Yeah, but I just see the top of your head. Can you tilt your screen down a little?
How about that?
It's too low. You should be able to see a video of yourself in a little window. Use that to position your camera.
I just see the video of you. How about that? Is that better?
Not really. In the upper right part of your screen, you should see a galley view option. That'll let you see yourself so you can position your camera.
I don't see it.
Okay, just tilt your screen down like 2 centimeters.
Okay, how about that?
That's great, Dad. How have you and Mom been?
How do you turn the volume up? Found it.
Dad, you just turned your video off.
What? I can't hear you.
You turned your video off!
I can see you.
There's a camera icon if you just... Hey! One more thing, you beautiful weirdo. I want you to know you don't have to suffer from boredom while you're stuck at home. So I want to invite you to my live stream comedy show this Friday. Just click the link in the description of this video. Got an all new show for you. I've got the show notes going on behind me. Looking forward to this Friday's show. It's each and every Friday until the quarantine's over. So click the link in the description to join me for my live stream comedy show this Friday. That's what the world's doing.